I realized mid-video there was a cat beneath the black cat. Someone came home early. And mid-stroke is just crazy work, bro. Him petting the cats while they argue is diabolical. And she just staying still there. How Jacob and Sam wearing twilight. What the hell's going on between the sheets in my house? Is this a love triangle? Anthony Joshua versus Jake Paul. He can't block it. He said not sharing. It is giving Anthony Joshua versus Jake Paul. It is giving. Jake Paul got violated the other day, if you guys know. And I'm so happy about it.